Good morning and welcome. It's Gillian. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I've got this lovely 60 by 30 gallery wrap canvas that I have literally cannot get a creation that I'm truly happy with, and so I have scraped it so many times, and it's a lovely canvas and I really don't want to waste it. So I'm going to see if I can go over all this yucky stuff that I've already made a complete mess of, and I'm gonna try again. So I'm just gonna do, maybe white is not a perfect base coat to go over all of the rubbish that I've kind of already got on this particular canvas, but I'm going to try it. So we will see. Maybe I should have definitely gone over in a darker color, but hopefully when the whole thing's finished, if it turns out the way I have envisaged. But for the last couple of weeks, I've had so many disruptions, and everything that I do when I do get into my art room just doesn't seem to be gelling. I don't know. I think maybe sometimes, well, I have had a good rest from it. I've had visitors and that. But sometimes you just need to have a complete break from it to get your mojo back again. So I'm kind of doing a base like this, but I'm doing a flip cup over that particular paint that I've put there, and I'm using some very baby pale pink. Not everybody's cup of tea, not even my cup of tea, but I'm going to try it. I've got some sort of purpley navy that I'm literally going to layer my flip cup with, the baby pink and the purpley navy. I know it sounds crazy, but that's it. I have to try these crazy ideas. So you don't, if they don't work out too good. So just layering with these. So probably instead of flipping it, I might kind of do like a figure 8 and then tilt it so it will go nice and evenly over the sides. Probably shouldn't put too much of the dark in, but I've done it now. And laying this on the bottom, I'll just make sure that my paint, when I come to tilt, will flow over it nice and easily, is the idea. So here we go. I think I'm going to go the figure 8. Wow, the cells in this are unbelievable. Figure 8, invigorate. Where am I getting all those cells from? These crazy cells. Wow, what is going on there? That is a weird thing, because I don't normally get that just from doing that kind of pour. But I'm using my Kiss pouring medium, and I'm using it with my global paints. I've told you before that I haven't used it with all brands of paints, and like every pouring medium, or they don't gel well with every single brand of paint on the market, because different countries as well, and even in this country, use different products in their paint. So this is not this was made to go by Global Colours Australia to go with their paints. But I know it does go with, I've used it with Amsterdam paints, and I've used it with Montmartre paints, and it goes beautifully. So that is not what I wanted. I wanted a marbly look, and it has gone like a cloud pour type thing. It's got all these little ghost cells everywhere, little faces. What is it trying to tell me? There's even Snoopy Dog there. Wow, this isn't gonna work for what I had planned. I was hoping it would just be like a marble effect, that I'm gonna do this lovely blow over the top, but that's kind of a bit too busy to go for the blow. That's crazy land. Well, that's new because I've never had that happen before. So I am not sure what's gone on there. My paints have sat there for a little while. I'm just trying to think what has made the paint go like that. Maybe because, no, it can't be because I've used the particular canvas so many times, because that wouldn't. Now I was going to do some I was going to do the blowout in that, but anyway, we'll crack on with. Whoop. I've got all my, oh yeah. I'm just going to burst the air bubbles. Also helps the paint absorb into the canvas, especially because I've washed it so many times, the canvas, trying to get something I like, but this is just crazy on here. So I really can't go with the plan that I had for this because it just wouldn't show up. So I'm gonna have to put, like, keep it kind of neutral, I guess. So I guess I might just try doing a kind of a V in the same colour that I added. So to keeping it, oops, that's a bit too much. I just go overboard with those colours, that's crazy. And I might add some of this, it's purple, to my mix because it's kind of got purpley tones in it, hasn't it? I'm trying to get a skewer. Oh, come on, silly duffer. My end of my bottle. See, all of these bottles that the pouring medium or your paints or whatever come in, if they've got a nice squeezy top, save them for mixing some paint colour. So I'm going to put this purple in there. So it's kind of going to be kept monochromatic, I guess. And I think, you know what? I think that's all it needs, isn't it? Should I? Oh, maybe I'll just try one side, add in this turquoise. Just a bit. Like I said, I can't go with all the colours that I had planned. I cannot use them because it's just too busy. This canvas is jinxed. It will not let me have a successful creation on it. I'm going to go back and try my little Wahl, W-A-H-L. It's a little, what do you call it? Travel dryer. I might go back to my little pink machine. I'll just see if I can handle this one nicely. I'll maybe just try it on the low blow. Oh. Oh my goodness, love. I love it straight away. I love the turquoise in it. This is absolutely going cell crazy. What is going on? I do not know. I've only added my pouring medium and it doesn't normally go this crazy. I need to take off some of that. I just, this is not gonna work again. These cells are just going absolutely. Am I supposed to read this? Is it like doing a card reading? Because there are so many faces in here staring up at me. Weird. Oh my goodness. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna see if I can dull down this with a balloon. Just add in a few. This canvas is jinxed. What's going on? Oh, that's bringing that white coming back through. It's quite nice. I love that. I should have put I suppose I could still do it, put more of the turquoise in it. Gosh, I don't know what to do with that because that has gone AWOL. It's really gone crazy. Even when I'm kissing there now, it's just gone crazy cells. Oh, I don't know about this one. I absolutely have got no idea what has happened with that. I have done nothing different. I suppose add in more heat. I'll bring you down and have a look at it. It's just too busy and too crazy. But I'll bring you down to have a look at these strange, weird and wonderful faces in it. Oh my goodness. I have never had such a crazy reaction. So, well, it looks like little tadpoles. It looks like eyes. Look, there's little characters hidden in there. See that little puppy dog face right in the middle with the two eyes. Oh my goodness, and there's a koala bear. You can see. Holy dooly. Oh, I do not know what's going on here. Look at this. Crazy town. Crazy town. Oh my goodness. And see, even where I've blown out, it's just all gone to cells. Even where I've put the balloon in it, it's just all moulded to its own little crazy land. Yeah. Oh, look at that face in there. Oh my goodness. There's all sorts in there. This is so bizarre. So bizarre. Oh well, I'm gonna let you guys point out what you can see. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's an owl there. Look. There's a ducky. Goodness me. I cannot leave this like this, surely. Oh my goodness. Let me know what you think, guys. And I'll be back, probably trying again on the same canvas.